My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about the 50-50 child custody arrangement. You know, there are benefits to having a 50-50 arrangement, not least among which is the ability to equally parent your child. I mean, obviously, you're in a situation where even if you split up and get divorced or whatever, the relationship terminates, you should both be able to equally participate in the raising of your child and to weigh in on those decisions that are important. When we talk about a full 50-50 arrangement, what we're really talking about is, number one, the physical amount of time that the child spends with each parent, which in physical custody would be 50-50. So, you know, there's 365 days in a year. It doesn't necessarily mean 182 and a half apiece, but it could mean, you know, 1 week on, 1 week off, or 4 days and 3 days, 3 days, 4 days. There are different ways of arranging it. It could be that maybe you have most of the time during the academic year, the other parent has most of the vacation time. There are ways to do it so we get it as equal as possible. There is also a different kind of 50-50 arrangement, which has to do not with the physical custody, but with the legal custody. Legal custody means the important decision making as it relates to the child. Medical decisions, academic decisions, religious decisions, these kind of major fundamental things. In a 50-50 arrangement, both parties weigh in equally to try and address those issues. One of the issues, for example, that came up recently, which was a hot issue, was whether or not the 50-50 legal custody issue it had an impact on the decision to vaccinate or not vaccinate your kids, or how COVID was handled. So that became sort of an issue that was brought before the court a lot on the theory that that's part of the legal custody decisions. The point is that when you make your custody decision, you have to consider both the legal custody and the physical custody, and if it's 50-50, then you're really sharing the authority, the benefits, and the burdens of that. When you don't have that kind of arrangement, and one person runs the point on the physical and the legal custody, then the other person is sort of relegated to a secondary position, but really can't weigh in to the extent that a 50-50 arrangement allows. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.